Today we know how to take a screenshot on your computer. First of all, go to your browser and write here Lightshot. This is the website. Go here. Now download the software. Now go to File and install it. Installation complete, and now you can see here is the software. So you can select here, and you can also print screen button from keyboard. Now select the area and you can draw something. You can line it, you can indicate anything, and you can select some area. You can write something. You save it on your local computer and you can upload it printscreen.com and share the link if you want. So now I want to save it in my local machine. Desktop, printscreen 1, it is screenshot 1.jpg. it is default. You can change it by any name. Okay. Now you can see the screenshot. If you new my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.